Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall today.
You are going to love the 2015 Genesis. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, fog lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, airbags, driver, knee, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall today.